Are you in need of a dentist in Houston who offers gum disease treatment? Are you wondering how to treat gum disease or what is gum disease? At Edge Dental, we can walk you step by step through the gum disease treatment process and answer any questions you may have along the way. Gum disease is a progressive disease that occurs in stages. Pain and tenderness around the gums, swelling of the gums, bad breath, and bleeding when you floss or brush are all signs of potential gum disease. Early stage gum disease like gingivitis can be treated with a professional dental deep cleaning. If left untreated, you could develop a more serious disease, such as periodontitis. Periodontitis treatment requires more advanced procedures. Don't hesitate. Book now. Delaying your gum disease treatment could lead to pain and further complications. We are proud to be an emergency dentist in Houston. Call now at 281-940-8940 and see why we are being called one of the best dentists in Houston.